In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to add comments, attach files and links, and integrate power-ups into your boards. So here we are in our sales training board, and you'll notice that there are more labels and due dates that I've attached since you last saw it. So potentially, your boards in the future could look something like this. All right, so let's get started with adding comments. In Trello, you can add and send comments to members of your team within a board. So let's say here on board card number 2, in list number 2, review storyboard and edit, we wanted to send a comment to a member. You could click on this add sign here, and a drop-down menu with members populate. You can select Lisa, for example, and send her a message such as, please review my storyboard. Click save, close it, and you'll see a comment has been added to this card, and Lisa will receive it on her end. Let's say for this card, complete a website design. You wanted to send a comment again to Lisa, but you also wanted to send her an attachment. You could click on this paper clip here, and your options are to attach from your own computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, anything that your organization uses for file sharing. Or you could attach an external link, copy paste it into this and select attach. You could also send something directly from Trello. So if you wanted to do that, you select Trello. For example, you can send a card or a board. Let's say you wanted to send Lisa the same card that we're working on, completing a website. Find it. Here it is. Select it. It has added it to your message, the link plus the card itself. If you hit save and close out of it, you will see here in the complete website design card, you have a comment plus a Trello attachment. All right. Next item are the power-ups. What is a power-up? Power-up basically are add-on features within Trello that can enhance how you work. So they are more than the basic features that Trello offers. So they allow you to do much more. So in order to access power-ups, you can go through the Show menu button here at the top right and go to Power-ups here, or you can do it from any card itself. When you open the card, power-ups are available here in the middle. Let's select that. This brings you to a whole list of power-ups offered by Trello. Lots of options. Popular ones such as Google Drive, Slack, or Calendar, which is also very popular. I've already added this to our sales training board, so you don't see the add button, but it would have been there and you would have just selected it and it would have added to your board. One thing to note, Trello allows one power-up per free account, which is what SOS and I am using. So let's go ahead and close that and show you this power-up that I added. Here it is. All your power-ups will show up here top right next to the menu. Let's go into our calendar power-up. What the calendar does is it basically pulls all your cards per the dates with all their labels intact. So you have some things in May into early June, and here are your April cards. You can access the cards by just clicking on them, and they take you to the original card with all its details. So this is a place that your members can launch from. you can all start with the calendar and just go into the cards. So it just gives you another way to organize your cards. So there you have it. In this video, we learned how to add comments, attach files, and integrate power-ups.